Welcome to the Knox video training series. In this video, we'll show you how to use Knox Configure to set up your enterprise devices with Samsung Kids. Samsung Kids is a digital environment that helps make mobile devices more child-friendly. With Knox Configure, IT admins, partners, and content providers can create, customize, and deploy their own versions of the Samsung Kids app without any custom development. So if you're ready to learn about this great feature, let's get started. Before you begin creating a Samsung Kids profile, you'll need to create a Samsung Knox account and register for Samsung Knox Cloud Services. To do this, go to samsungknox.com and choose Enroll to begin the registration process. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you'll receive an email letting you know that access approval is pending. Once approved, you'll receive another email letting you know that you've been granted access to Knox Configure. The widget will no longer show as pending. Click the widget to launch the Samsung Knox admin portal. Then navigate to Knox Configure in the left menu and select Profiles. Click Create Profile in the top right corner to begin. First, select Phone or Tablet in the Device Type field. Then select the Knox Configure edition for this profile. Note that Samsung Kids supports both the setup and dynamic editions of Knox Configure on devices running Android Q OS or higher. For this video, we'll select Dynamic Edition. In the configuration field, select Samsung Kids mode, then click Next to proceed. We'll first get started with entering the profile information. Notice that fields marked with an asterisk are required. Select the appropriate device level and Knox version for your enterprise devices. In the profile area, provide an appropriate name and optional description. Proceed with all other required fields like enrollment information and support contact details, as well as other information like the preferred background color and logo for this profile, and whether you want to show or hide the welcome screen and terms of conditions when the device launches the application. Once you've set up your profile, click Next. In the Applications and Widgets screen, you can upload additional apps from your library to your profile. These will be downloaded to the device after the configuration process completes. If you don't have any special applications that you need to upload to this profile, you can skip this step by clicking Next. The Samsung Kids configuration screen is where you can customize how the app appears on a device. In the home screen section, select whether you want this profile to be used with a phone or a tablet. Every profile's home screen also requires a wallpaper in both portrait and landscape modes. Upload these wallpapers according to your branding requirements. If you want to rebrand Samsung Kids to suit your audience, you can customize the application name and icon, and change the names and icons of each individual app and widget. Under Application Restrictions, use the Allow List field if you want to give children access to additional applications not already included with Samsung Kids. If there are specific websites that you want to allow or bookmark, add these addresses to the My Browser Settings, Web, Bookmarks, and URL Allow List fields. These settings can also be managed by parents after the device receives the Samsung Kids configuration. If you're finished customizing Samsung Kids, click Next. If applicable, proceed with the remaining profile configuration options in the left navigation menu. These are the same options used when creating a normal profile using Knox Configure. For help with these menu options, please refer to the Knox Configure admin guide on our Samsung Knox documentation site. Once you finally configure your Samsung Kids profile, the Profile Summary screen lets you view the details of your configuration. If you're satisfied with the changes, click Submit. A pop-up dialog appears, allowing you to add additional comments about this new profile. If you're finished with the summary, click Submit again to proceed to the next step. After you submit the profile, you'll need to specify the devices that you want to push this Samsung Kids profile to. Select the relevant devices from the table below, then click Select a license. Choose the appropriate license, then click Done. From there, you'll be redirected back to the Knox Configure menu in the admin portal. A notification in the top right corner of the screen will let you know when the profile gets assigned to your devices. When this happens, you've successfully created a Samsung Kids profile using Knox Configure. For more information and instructions on Knox Configure or other Knox services, please visit docs.samsungknox.com. Thank you for watching.